Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing a stunning lace front wig that promises to deliver a natural look with a lot of versatility. We're talking about the 30-inch, 1396 deep wave lace front wig, made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair. Let's break down what this wig offers and how it stacks up in the world of high-density lace front wigs. This wig is crafted with 250% density, giving it a full, voluminous look. The 1396 HD Lace Frontal offers a large parting space, allowing you to style it with a middle or side part, giving you plenty of room for creativity. The transparent lace is designed to melt into the skin, creating a seamless, natural appearance. The hair is pre-plucked, which saves you time and ensures a more natural hairline right out of the box. Made from 12A grade human hair, the wig is smooth, bouncy, and can be straightened, curled, bleached, dyed, or permed. It also comes with an adjustable strap and 4 combs, making it easy to customize the fit for comfort and security. Now, let's talk about how this wig performed in real-life testing. The installation process was fairly straightforward. Thanks to the adjustable straps and combs, it stayed securely in place throughout the day. I loved how lightweight and breathable the cap felt, which made wearing it for hours comfortable, especially on warmer days. The 30-inch length is dramatic and definitely makes a statement. The deep wave texture was just as described, soft and bouncy with natural luster. It styled easily with minimal heat, and the hair held curls beautifully. However, I did notice that the hair could get a little frizzy after a few hours, so some light maintenance is required throughout the day to keep it looking fresh. In terms of pros, the 250% density makes this wig incredibly full and luxurious, and the HD lace really does melt into the skin, giving it a more authentic, flawless look. The versatility in styling is another big plus, as it can be straightened or curled without compromising its quality. The pre-plucked hairline is another standout feature, providing a natural appearance from the start. On the flip side, a few downsides include the slight frizz that develops over time, and the length can be a bit unwieldy for some, especially if you're not used to long hair. Additionally, because the wig is so full, it might not be the best choice for those seeking something more lightweight and subtle. When it comes to value for money, this wig sits on the higher end of the spectrum. Given the 250% density and the high-quality Brazilian virgin human hair, the price is justified, especially if you're looking for a wig that can handle styling and coloring. It's durable, reusable, and has that luxurious feel you expect from high-end wigs. However, if you're not prepared to maintain such a full, long look, it may feel like a bit much for everyday wear. Compared to other high-density lace front wigs on the market, this one stands out due to its impressive density and the flexibility of the 13i6 lace frontal. Many similar wigs offer less density or smaller lace areas, but this one offers a perfect blend of volume and versatility. The price is a bit steep compared to some alternatives, but if you're looking for a premium quality human hair wig with ample styling potential, this is definitely one to consider. As for the build quality, the materials used are top-notch. The Brazilian virgin human hair feels soft and thick, and the lace is sturdy and breathable. The construction is solid, making it a reliable choice for those who want a long-lasting wig that can endure frequent styling. Regarding customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with the company, but based on general reviews, this brand is known for good customer service, with fast shipping and responsive communication when needed. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a high-density lace front wig with a natural, voluminous look, this 30-inch deep wave lace front wig is a solid option. It's perfect for special occasions like weddings or parties, or if you just want to add some extra drama to your everyday style. It might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're new to wearing wigs or prefer something more subtle, but for those looking for a full, versatile, and stylish option, it's a great pick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other wig enthusiasts can find this video too. And if you've already tried this wig, feel free to share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to the product in the comments box. Goodbye until next time, and remember, stay beautiful, stay bold.